What is online advertising?
Paid distribution of messages across digital channels to drive measurable outcomes, e.g., awareness, leads, sales.
Define an impression.
One ad view opportunity served, or counted as served, to a user/device.
Define a click.
A user interaction that sends them to a destination, site/app/store, from an ad.
What is CTR?
Click-through rate equals clicks/impressions.
What is CVR, conversion rate, in ads?
Conversions/clicks, sometimes conversions/sessions, define consistently.
What is CPC?
Cost per click equals spend/clicks.
What is CPM?
Cost per 1,000 impressions equals spend/impressions, *1000.
What is CPA?
Cost per acquisition/action equals spend/conversions.
What is ROAS?
Return on ad spend equals revenue attributed to ads/ad spend.
ROAS versus ROI, in ads, what's the difference?
ROAS uses revenue and excludes non-ad costs. ROI includes profit or net return after all costs.
What is LTV?
Lifetime value, expected gross margin, or revenue, from a customer over their relationship.
What is CAC?
Customer acquisition cost, total acquisition spend/new customers acquired, define scope/time window.
Break-even ROAS, concept.
ROAS needed to cover cost of goods plus variable costs, often equals 1/contribution margin, if revenue-based.
What is frequency in advertising?
Average number of times a person/device sees an ad over a period.
Why use frequency caps?
To reduce waste, manage fatigue, and improve reach efficiency.
What is reach?
Number of unique people/devices exposed to an ad.
What is a conversion?
Attract action aligned to business goals, purchase, lead, sign up, install, etc.
What is a conversion window?
The period after an ad interaction during which a conversion can be attributed, e.g., 7-day click, 1-day view.
Click-through attribution versus view-through attribution.
Click-through credits conversions after a click, view-through credits conversions after an impression without a click.
Last click attribution, definition.
Credits 100% of conversion to the most recent eligible click before conversion.
Why can last click be misleading?
It overcredits bottom funnel touchpoints and undercredits channels that create demand earlier.
What is incrementality?
The causal lift in outcomes caused by ads versus what would have happened anyway.
How do you measure incrementality?
Holdout/geotests, split tests, lift studies, or randomized experiments with a control group.
What are UTMs used for?
Appending parameters to URLs to pass campaign/source/medium data into analytics.
What is a tracking pixel?
A tag, often JS, that records events, page views, conversions, and ties them to ad interactions.
What is server-side conversion tracking?
Sending conversion events from your server to ad platforms to reduce loss from browsers/ad blockers.
What is retargeting/remarketing?
Showing ads to people who previously engaged with your site/app/content.
When does retargeting usually work best?
High-intent audiences with recent engagement, strong offer, adequate frequency control.
What is prospecting in paid media?
Targeting new audiences who have not yet engaged with your brand.
What is a funnel, tofu/mafu/bofu?
A model of customer journey, top, awareness, middle, consideration, bottom, conversion.
What is a landing page?
The page a user arrives on after clicking an ad, optimized for message match and conversion.
What is message match?
Consistency between ad promise/creative and landing page content to reduce bounce and improve CVR.
Primary drivers of CPA, high level.
CPA is almost equal to CPC/CVR, or CPM/CTR*CVR, reduce CPC/CPM or increase CTR/CVR.
What is quality score, search ads?
A platform estimate of ad/keyword relevance and expected performance affecting rank and CPC.
What is ad rank, search ads?
Auction score used to order ads, typically based on bid, quality, and expected impact of extensions.
What is impression share, search?
Impressions received/impressions you were eligible to receive.
What can reduce impression share?
Budget limits, low bids, low quality, targeting constraints, or low ad rank.
Keyword match types, broad/phrase/exact, at a glance.
Broad, widest queries, phrase, includes meaning/phrase, exact, tightest matching, behavior varies by platform updates.
What is a negative keyword?
A keyword that prevents ads from showing on irrelevant queries to improve efficiency.
Search term report, why is it useful?
Find new converting queries to add, identify irrelevant queries to negate.
What is an ad extension, asset?
Additional ad info, site links, callouts, structured snippets, etc., that can improve CTR and utility.
What is a learning phase, social ads?
Period where the system explores to stabilize delivery. Frequent changes can reset performance.
What causes creative fatigue?
Audience sees the same creative too often, reducing CTR/CVR over time.
How do you combat creative fatigue?
Rotate new creatives, refresh hooks/offers, expand audiences, adjust frequency caps.
What is A/B testing in ads?
Controlled comparison of one variable, creative, landing page, bid strategy, with consistent measurement.
Why should you avoid testing multiple variables at once?
It confounds results. You cannot attribute lift to a single change.
What is a bid strategy?
Automated or manual rules determining how much to bid per auction to hit an objective, TCPA, TROAS, max clicks.
TCPA versus TROAS, when to use each?
TCPA when value per conversion is uniform, TROAS when conversion values vary and value matters.
What is conversion value optimization?
Bidding toward higher value outcomes using reported conversion values.
What is an ad auction?
Real-time selection process deciding which ad shows and at what price based on bids and quality/utility.
First price versus second price auction, concept.
First price, winner pays their bid. Second price, winner pays just above next highest bid. Many markets use hybrids.
What is programmatic advertising?
Automated buying/selling of ad inventory via software and auctions, often RTB.
DSP versus SSP versus ad exchange.
DSP buys for advertisers, SSP sells for publishers, exchange matches bids and inventory.
What is RTB?
Real-time bidding, per impression auction where buyers bid on a bid request in milliseconds.
What is a bid request?
A package of info about an impression opportunity, context, device, user signals sent to bidders.
What is viewability?
Whether an ad had the opportunity to be seen, e.g., % of pixels in view for a duration, per standard.
Why does viewability matter?
Non-viewable impressions waste spend and can inflate reach/frequency and mislead CTR/CVR.
What is invalid traffic, IVT/ad fraud?
Non-human or deceptive activity generating fake impressions/clicks/conversions.
Common anti-fraud controls.
Pre-bid filters, allow lists/block lists, verification vendors, anomaly monitoring, post-bid clawbacks.
What is brand safety?
Ensuring ads do not appear next to content that could harm brand reputation.
What is an allow list?
Approved list of domains/apps/placements you permit for serving ads.
What is a block list?
Disapproved list of domains/apps/placements you exclude.
What is contextual targeting?
Targeting ads based on page/app content rather than user identity.
What is lookalike/similar audience targeting?
Model-built audience resembling a seed list, customers/visitors, based on platform signals.
Why can lookalikes degrade?
Small/biased seed, tracking loss, market saturation, or model changes, refresh seed and test tiers.
What is cookie deprecation, impact on ads?
Reduced ability to track and target across sites, affecting attribution, retargeting, and measurement.
What is iOS ATT?
Apple policy requiring permission to track across apps/sites, reduces available device identifiers for ads.
What is SKAd network, high level?
iOS privacy-preserving install attribution framework providing delayed, aggregated conversion data.
What is a consent management platform, CMP?
Tool to collect/store user consent choices and signal them to vendors for privacy compliance.